Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, wondering if there's a better way to track expenses? Or maybe you've heard whispers of a company revolutionizing expense management, a company called Expensify. But then, the real question hits you: who's the mastermind behind it all? Who's steering this ship through the choppy waters of financial tracking? We're not talking about some faceless corporation here. We're talking about a company that's essentially trying to tame the chaos of expense reporting, a task that has plagued businesses and individuals for decades. Imagine, if you will, the sheer volume of paperwork, the endless spreadsheets, the constant fear of misplaced receipts. Expensify steps in and says, there's a better way. And behind that vision, there's a person. That person is David Barrett. Now, David Barrett isn't your typical Silicon Valley CEO. He's not just a suit and a PowerPoint presentation. He's a guy with a vision, a guy who saw a problem and decided to build a solution. And that solution, Expensify, has grown from a simple idea into a powerful platform used by millions. But who is David Barrett, really? Well, he's a self-taught programmer, a serial entrepreneur, and a bit of a maverick. He's known for his straightforward, no-nonsense approach and his focus on building a sustainable, profitable business. He's not just chasing the next big funding round, he's building something that lasts. Barrett's journey to Expensify wasn't a straight line. He's been involved in various tech ventures, learning and growing with each experience. It's this diverse background that gives him a unique perspective on the challenges businesses face when it comes to expense management. He understands the pain points because he's lived them. Expensify, under Barrett's leadership, has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in expense tracking. They've embraced automation, leveraging AI and machine learning to streamline the process. They've focused on user experience, creating a platform that's intuitive and easy to use. And they've built a community, fostering a sense of connection among their users. But it's not just about the technology. It's about the culture. Barrett has created a company culture that's known for its transparency and its commitment to its employees. He believes in empowering his team, giving them the autonomy to innovate and make a real impact. This approach has not only attracted top talent, but also fostered a sense of ownership and dedication. Expensify isn't just about receipts, it's about simplifying a complex process. It's about giving businesses and individuals the tools they need to manage their finances effectively. And at the heart of it all, there's David Barrett, a CEO who's not afraid to challenge the status quo, to think differently, and to build something truly remarkable. So, the next time you hear about Expensify, remember David Barrett. He's the guy who's making expense reporting a little less painful, one receipt at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.